Hello everyone, I hope everybody are safe out there. I am Sriman Madira, currently pursuing BTech second year in VVIT. These are the tough times we are facing. This pandemic has produced a chaos in our lives. But everybody wants to utilize this lockdown time where there is numerous amount of time and one can learn some courses and get certified in it. There are so many online platforms where one can learn courses and get certified, and some webinars are going on and improve their knowledge. I hope everybody are doing this. Firstly, I would like to thank management of VVIT, Coursera and L4G Solutions for providing us this wonderful opportunity where one can learn courses and get certified in them according to their interests for free of cost. Recently, I have completed my first course named Getting Started with Python under the specialization called Programming for Everybody, provided by University of Michigan. I have chosen this course as Python is a very important programming languages in the today's world, and Python is very easy to learn and it contains very numerous amount of libraries in it where tasks are much easier than in Python other than the programming languages like C and Java. So Python is very special in today's world. So I want to learn about it, and I started the course Getting Started with Python, and I have completed my first course. It's a 7-week course. It consists of 7 weeks, and it covers the basics of Python. When I am learning the course, I thought it is much easier than C and Java. Though it is a 7-week course, if you know C or Java, you can complete it according to your capabilities. You may complete it in 2 weeks also if you know C and Java. And it covers the topics like variables and constants, string manipulations, looping, iterations, etc. Basics of Python we need. And I am currently doing the second course named Python Data Structures. We're getting into the Python now, and it's so helpful. And Coursera is a user-friendly platform where one can learn courses easily, and there are you need not, for submitting assignments in this course, you need not install Python. There is an open graded tool which will be helpful to submit your Python assignments easily, and assignments are pretty simple. And if you have any doubts, you can ask you can submit in feedback forms. They will respond very quickly, and you can ask doubts in that, and your peers may also resolve the issues you are facing. That's why it is a user-friendly platform, and I hope every student utilize this wonderful opportunity provided to us, and make use of this lockdown time as much as they can. Thanks for the opportunity to sharing this with you.